So another new innovation that BOSS is coming out with is the TurfDefender, which is a new accessory that fits almost all of our plows. And the idea behind the TurfDefender is it's got a rounded edge. So when you're in, kind of the shoulder season of the snow and your turf is a little bit soft, or you're worried about replacing the turf at a high value job, that rounded edge on that is going to tear up the turf a lot less, and you're going to be able to save yourself money in the long run with reseeding or fixing the turf damages that you've caused over the winter. So I was recently visiting with a customer at a dealership, and he said one of his biggest expenses with his contract company is reseeding and fixing turf in the spring after the winter. So huge expense for him, and there's no return on that investment. It's all just money going out. You're not getting paid for it because it's a part of your contract. So by adding the TurfDefender, you can help eliminate some of that cost. Adding a TurfDefender is no different than changing out your cutting edge. It can be done in 20-30 minutes. It's just the pre-existing bolts that are already used for your cutting edge. You're just taking those out and then putting the TurfDefender on and rebolting it. So anybody that can change a cutting edge and work a wrench, they can put a TurfDefender on. It's just going to slide over. You're still going to get a good clean pass with your plow. But if you do hit the grass or hit the turf with it, it's really going to save you some time and money. If you needed to, you could change it on site. You could keep it in the back of your truck, slide it on when you get there, and just be safe. Rather safe than sorry.